you're looking for a home that has generational living options, then this one with the granny flat out the back could be perfect for you. The stunning low-set Queenslander at 280 McManus Street in the leafy suburb of Whitfield is perfect inside. What a stunning renovation. You've got 3-metre high ceilings. The home's had a modern transformation while keeping all its original character and features it should have. It's just perfect. There's really nothing left to do in this home. You just move in, heaps of room for the entire family. Hope to see you at the open home. I'm Nikolai Bursky from One Stop Property.